Good gosh. Luka Doncic is just putting on a show.
He's just getting started. Stay with it. Stay with it. You guys are defending your ass off, and we're getting good shots. The shots are going to start going, all right? So stay with it. Stay composed.
Green gets it back to Curry, over to Kuminga. Finds a lane. Somebody shot him out of cannon.
Teammates on the Slovenian national team. Fall away. Rainbow goes through for Luka.
We're okay with them shooting those 8, 10-footers, all right? We'll live with that. That won't beat us over the course of the night.
If you're reading off these guys, make a play on him. He's the scorer.
In a zone right now. 4 points in the ball game for Tatum, their leading scorer. Poole. Oh man, Robert Williams doing what he does best.
Durant squeezes between two to find Brown.
They're going to hit you. You're giving them a layup every time. Bruce got one, Dre got one for now. Then they're going to adjust, then we'll go to you on the block.
Boston was a big reason why they won that game on the road. Durant falling out of bounds, counted and the foul.
Great look. Coming back to you. Great look.
We got to rush one, all right? We got to rebound this ball.
Durant, no, boarded by Luka. Doncic drills a three.